main brain behind the CCL. So I want to know what is the cause for that you are playing the CCL for 2025.
Sir, to be frank, we have supported many causes in the past. We donated money for 100 heart surgeries in the past. We donated money for 100 surgeries for acid attack victims in the past. So as on today, it's like when we go on a flight, first keep oxygen mask to yourself. So we are now trying to revive CCL and survive ourselves. In future, we'll definitely come back with a cause. This season,
causing doesn't mean that you have to incur the expenses. Let us spread the awareness in the society. Let us spread an awareness in the society and urge you, because the biggest challenge on the earth is sustainability.
Yes, definitely.
So wherever the CCL matches are played, because CCL, I know, it includes all the people. So irrespective of their reason, the caste and creed and all everything, let this awareness spread. It doesn't cost much.
No, sir. It's a great suggestion. We will definitely take it up immediately.
Let us, instead of play cards, and instead of saying 4 or 6, let us say plant 6 trees, plant 4 trees, like that. You
Agreed,
can say every time the batsman hits the boundary, let's play. No 4. No, say plant 6 trees or plant 4 trees, like that.
Sure, sir.
I think this is what exactly we expect from CCL and CCL crowds.
Done, sir. We definitely take your input and we will implement it this season only.
Sustainability is the big challenge, and nowadays we all have to work inclusively.
Sure, sir. We will do it.
Sir, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.